Good morning, student. Chapter number 6, Molecular Basic of Inheritance. Most IMP question. This experiment is a Hershey and Chase experiment. The genetic material is a DNA. The unequivocal proof that DNA is a genetic material came out from the experiment for Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase in 1952. They work with virus that infect bacteria called bacteriophages. The bacteriophages attach to the bacteria and its genetic material then enters the bacterial cell. The bacterial cell treats the viral genetic material. It was its own subsequently manufactures more virus particles, and Hershey and Chase worked to discover whether it was a protein or DNA from the viruses that enter to the bacteria. They grew some viruses on a medium that contained radioactive phosphorus, and some other medium contain radioactive sulfur. One contained medium is a radioactive phosphorus and one contained medium is a sulfur. This is a radioactive material, phosphorus and sulfur. Some others on medium that contain sulfur and phosphorus. This virus is grown in the presence of radioactive phosphorus contain radioactive DNA but not radioactive protein. Because the DNA contains only for phosphorus, protein does not. Similarly, virus is grown on radioactive sulfur contain radioactive protein but not radioactive DNA because DNA is a not contain sulfur. In this experiment, radioactive phages were allowed attached to the E. coli bacteria. So this figure first discussed. This is an experiment for Hershey and Chase experiment. First, bacteriophage, left side, bacteriophage, radioactive 35S labeled protein capsule, and right side, bacteriophage, radioactive 32P labeled DNA. S means sulfur and P means phosphorus. Transferred to the bacteriophage to bacteria means bacterial cell. The genetic material is transformed into the nucleus. Means no radioactive 35S detected in cells, but radioactive 35S detected on a supernatant. What is a supernatant? This layer is a supernatant. This is a elucidated layer. Clear? Upper layer is a supernatant and lower layer is a elution. Second, right side, radioactive 35S labeled DNA is transferred to the bacterial cell. First stage is a infection. Second stage is a blending. And third stage is a centrifugation process. Observe this last stage, radioactive 32P detected in cells and no radioactivity detected in supernatant. Clear? Means radioactive phages were allowed attached to the, this is a Escherichia coli. E. coli bacteria is used. Clear? E. coli bacteria is used. Then as the infection of proceed, the viral coats were removed from the bacteria by agitating in a blender position. Removed from the bacteria for blender position, and the virus particles were separated from the bacteria by spinning them in a centrifuge. Third position, centrifugation. Bacteria which was infected with viruses that had radioactive DNA, where radioactive indicated that DNA was the material that passed from the virus to bacteria. This passed virus transformed to the bacteria. Bacteria that were infected these viruses had radioactive proteins, not radioactive, but this indicates proteins not enter to the bacteria from the viruses. DNA, therefore, this material passed from the virus to bacteria. Hershey and Chase experiment conclude first stage radioactive 35 as label protein capsule, and last stage is observed no radioactive 35 as detected in cells, but radioactive 35 as detected in supernatant. Another condition radioactive 32P labeled DNA, and last condition for Hershey and Chase experiment no radioactivity detected for the supernatant. Clear? Next points for RNA world. What is RNA world? From foregoing discussion in immediate question becomes evident which is the first genetic material is the DNA, ribonucleic acid. It shall be discussed in detail in the chapter chemical evolution, but briefly the highlight some of the fact points. RNA is a genetic material was first discovered. There is no enough evidence to suggest that the essential life process. In board, most time be questions for 2 marks in this chapter. Evolve around means essential life process for RNA such as metabolism, translation. Translation means DNA to mRNA, mRNA to protein. Splicing means cut down of DNA. Evolve the around for RNA. RNA used act as a genetic material as well as a most important RNA is a catalyst. There are some important biochemical reaction in living system that are catalyzed by RNA catalyst. RNA is a function is a one type of catalyst and not by protein and enzymes. But RNA being catalyst was reactive, hence unstable. DNA is stable and RNA is unstable. Therefore, the DNA has evolved from the RNA with chemical modification that make it more stable. Means DNA is stable and RNA is unstable. DNA being double-stranded and having complementary strand further resist changes by evolving process of repair. In board MCQS, what is stable? Fill in the blanks. DNA, RNA or proteins, DNA. Unstable for RNA. RNA was first genetic material, and second important points, RNA is a catalyst and not by proteins or enzymes. DNA is a very stable in chemical modification. DNA being double stranded and having complementary strand for the resist changes by evolving process of repair. Means DNA contain helical coil shape. In 1953, Watson and Crick discovered DNA double helix model. Present one direction of 5' 3' or opposite direction 3' to 5'. Purine and pyrimidine present. Purine like adenine and guanine, and pyrimidine like thymine and cytosine. Join together A double bond T, 2 weak hydrogen bonds, and G triple bond C join together 3 weak hydrogen bonds. RNA is a 3 types. First mRNA, second tRNA, and third rRNA. mRNA means messenger RNA, tRNA means transfer RNA, and rRNA means ribosomal RNA. RNA function is a synthesis of protein only. Clear? Thank you, student.